Are you okay? Did you say sorry to mommy? Okay. What's wrong? You want to go on? Are you not going to sleep? Are you not going to sleep?
Will you sleep na? If you will not sleep, you're gonna stay there until morning.
Are you not sleepy? What do you want to do?
But it's already 10 in the evening na. It's time to sleep na. If you will not sleep, you just have to stand there always.
You're not going to sleep. Okay. Okay? Are you not going to sleep?
Dada, let's sleep na
Mommy's
so that...
going to sleep naman. Mommy's very tired na. Oh, come here. Okay, we're going to join Daddy's club. Okay? We're going to join Daddy's club. Okay. You say sorry to mommy. You say sorry to mommy. Say sorry, mommy. I hit you. To hug mommy.
Will you sleep with me na?
No, I just want to read.
Huh?
You want to eat mommy? You want to eat mommy? Oh,
Di daw siya Muslim.
you say so? I'm sorry, mom.
Dada, you will not if you will not sleep, but don't cell phone.
Yeah, no more cell phone.
No more cell phone to relax your eyes.
Daddy's going to join Daddy's club.